Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to analyze Instagram Insights in 2026 step by step. So, if you want to understand what content is performing best and grow your account smarter, yeah, this guide will really help. Instagram Insights gives you detailed information about your audience, post performance, engagement, and overall account growth. First, make sure your account is set as a creator or business account. Insights won't appear on a personal account. Now go to your Instagram profile and tap Professional Dashboard or Insights to open your Analytics section. One important metric is reach, which shows how many unique people saw your content. Impressions show how many total times your content was viewed, so sort your posts by top-performing content. Look for patterns like topics, hooks, captions, or editing styles that consistently perform well. Instagram Insights also shows when your followers are most active. Posting during those hours can improve engagement pretty quickly. Check your follower growth regularly to see what content brings in new followers and what content causes people to unfollow. Try comparing reels, stories, carousels, and photo posts to see which format works best for your audience. The goal isn't just checking numbers. The real goal is using those numbers to improve future content and make smarter posting decisions. One mistake people make is focusing only on likes. Saves, shares, watch time, and comments are usually much more valuable in 2026. And that's basically the full guide to analyzing Instagram Insights. Yeah, once you understand your analytics, creating better content becomes much easier over time.